Hello guys and welcome back to Matt Tech channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Instagram invitation send problem. If you are experiencing issue with Instagram invitations such as problems sending or receiving invitations or noticing changes in message requests, here is a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First of all, update the Instagram app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for sending and receiving messages. Make sure you have a strong and reliable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart the Instagram app. Close the Instagram app completely and reopen it. This can help resolve temporary glitches or issue. After that, clear app cache. For that, open the phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps and search for Instagram. In app info of Instagram, you can see here storage, tap on it. In the bottom, you can see here clear data, tap on it. From pop-up, tap on clear cache. Uninstall the Instagram app from your device and go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Download and reinstall the latest version of the Instagram app and check for message request. For that, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on message icon in the top right corner. You can see here request, tap on it. If you are expecting invitation or messages, check your message request folder. Go back from the message request and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. If the issue persists and you have tried the above steps, consider reaching out to Instagram support for assistance. You can often find help through the app setting or the official Instagram help center. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on setting and privacy and scroll down. You can see here help, tap on it and tap on report a problem. You should briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can add photo or screenshot of the issue. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.